How's it going, awesome humans? Well, it's been a pretty awesome year. A year ago today, I decided I was gonna go full force on YouTube, and more importantly, I just wanted to make videos as much as possible. And I started out vlogging, and I've since moved, I think 23 vlogs. I'm starting a separate channel for that because I feel like it was clogging up the rest of what I was doing, which is mostly tutorials. I've been working for the past few months on coming up with a way to make it more fun and more interesting and not me just doling out information. So what I've come up with is, it's not scripted, but it's kind of a hybrid between a vlog and a tutorial where it's more interesting, kind of keeps your attention, but there's more to it. What this means is I'm not just gonna throw more B-roll and more slow motion. There's definitely gonna be some of that, some time lapses, but what it means is it's gonna be more organic, and I'm aiming for more fun, basically, where you're gonna learn things, I'm gonna teach things, and you're not even gonna realize you're being taught. That's my goal, and that's what I've been working so hard on. What you're gonna be seeing more of on my channel is not just the photography end of it, but I'm gonna be working with, you know, video, audio, maybe even some music. I got a lot of suggestions on where to get your music for YouTube videos, and all in all, what it's gonna be is more awesome. In 2018, everything that my channel is about, Zaring Studios or just Josh Zaring, everything this channel is about is for creators. And the way I'm gonna go about that is just pulling everything I know and put it into videos. Like I said, I spent an entire year working on this formula, so in a not boring way, in a more awesome way, I can make these videos and make them more interesting, fun, while you're learning something at the same time. So I'm gonna be including all types of media, all niches, if you will, that pertain to creating, that pertain to being a creator. So that's what this channel is about. If you're into art, graphic design, photography, videography, video editing, if you're a geek into software, if you love messing around with computers, if you play music, all these creative things, I'm gonna incorporate and try to do that as smoothly as possible. It's not gonna jump around all over the place and confuse the people that aren't into these certain things. I'm gonna try and find a way to incorporate everything, like kind of sew it all together, put all these puzzle pieces that it is being a creator. Because in the age that we live in, we're given so many creative tools and so many options that we end up learning much more than we would have 10, 20, 30 years ago. So a lot of us are good at multiple things. It's not just one thing that we specialize in anymore, and that's what this is all about. Not only am I gonna be doing more tutorials in a more fun way, more awesome way, I got a new logo going and I'm working on merch. I also have a lot of Lightroom presets on the way, lookup tables, or as most people call them, LUTs or LUTs, and that's for video, and I've actually designed them so they would be good for your video editing program and Photoshop or anything that will load a LUT. And the new theme of this channel is all encompassing of how I feel and my day-to-day life, and most creators' day-to-day life, which is create, share, repeat. And I feel pretty strongly about this. Like I said, I have merch that I'm working on, and rather than just have my name, it's got my logo, this the little man logo here. And here's the first preview of merch that I've done right here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna be wearing that in the videos. For those of you here the first time, I'll give you my history as quickly as possible. I ran a music recording studio for approximately now 10 years on my own, and did photography and design on the side, so it was kind of like flip-flopped. Most people have music as their hobby. I had music as my job, and photography was my hobby. So basically what happened was I transitioned into photography the more obsessed I became with it. I've been using Photoshop and Adobe products since the 90s. That gives you a little insight on what my age might be, but I'm not gonna say it. I'm not just a recording engineer that does geeky audio things, I'm also a musician, so I'm gonna throw more of that into my channel this coming year. So some of this has been a struggle this past 365 days, but I just kept banging away at it. I tried not to get discouraged, and that's really hard on YouTube. I'm gonna be right up front, that's really hard. It's hard to keep your motivation on YouTube. There's a lot of people struggling out there to make it and to just be seen, and I'm one of them. And I had to realize, you know, I just have to keep at this and not give up. So I really hope that you're gonna latch onto this channel and just really come along with me for the ride, because I need every last bit of support that I can get here. It really makes me feel good to know that I'm helping people. It really makes me feel good to be part of this community, and it just really makes me feel good to be creating every single day, and that's my job. I hope you had an awesome Christmas, and I hope you got huge plans for 2018. This is gonna be a banger. This is gonna be a great year. I can feel it. I hope you got awesome plans for 2018 too. I hope you keep motivated, and I'm gonna do my part to help motivate you. So thanks for watching. Please click like if you liked it, leave a comment, and please subscribe. And remember, every single day, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time.